Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in today's episode we are going to be doing another experiment on the Surface Pro 4. And today's experiment is going to be with Windows 8.0. Now, you guys might have seen my other video talking about installing Windows 8.1 on the Surface Pro 4, but something people haven't really looked into was 8.0 on the Surface Pro 4. Now, the reason why is probably self-explanatory. If you're going to install 8, then just do 8.1 instead of 8.0, but it got me curious, would it even work? So I did pre-set up everything over here already because we've done this process before. I've got it all added up and we're gonna try this. If it works, awesome. Then we'll just see what works, what doesn't, look around the operating system a bit, but it's gonna be a short video, nothing too long. And if it works, then we'll try Windows 7 in another video, and if that works, we'll try Windows Vista, etc, just to see how far can we push the Surface Pro 4, a computer from 2015 with Microsoft's restrictions on it, to see what it can run. So without further ado, let's get started with this setup, and boom, let's do this. Time lapse. Alright guys, here we are. It has finished, and yeah, same like last time, this thing just crashes. I'm going to go ahead and finish the second phase installation stuff that we have to do, like what we did with 8.1, so after that's done, I'll just cut to when I'm restarting. Alright, something interesting that I just found out is that I can't find the Intel PEP thing I need to delete from the files and from the registry, which is strange because now I'm concerned if it blue screens, I wouldn't know what to do. But maybe it's a good thing. Maybe it means that if that driver didn't install, then we won't get it crashed because that causes it to crash. But if that driver didn't install, then maybe other drivers didn't install. So we just gotta find out, I guess. It's time to restart the computer. All right, there it is, 8 Pro. Let's click it. Surface is gonna restart. And let's hope that it starts doing its thing that it's supposed to. Okay, here we go. We get the spinning wheel. All right, moving on. So it didn't blue screen instantly, that's good. Let's hope nothing else happens. Getting devices ready. All right, cool, it's almost done getting those devices ready. I hope the drivers did work. Of course, there's still the other stuff we have to do. Post-install, so I'm gonna make sure we do that. Alright guys, here we are. The out-of-box experience actually loaded, and this is super interesting. I did not use a surface recovery image. This is just a plain Windows 8.0 Pro 64-bit image. But you can see that, hey, the trackpad works. That's good. Sometimes it shouldn't. Surface is here. Does the touch work? It does. Wow. Asking us to enter a product key, or we can skip this. Excuse the flickergate thing. Once again, Samsung. This is all your fault. But excusing that, you can see, wow, it actually got here. What happens if we skip this? Cool. Oh yeah, gotta accept the terms. Wow, here it is. Finally, Windows 8.0. Let's choose a very nice teal. And PC name. No, we'll just do Surface. Oh, I can't. Surface Pro 4. Wi-Fi doesn't seem to be working. That's a shame. I'll check that out later. I'll just connect to one later, and let's customize. Let's see what's going on. Updates. I don't want it to update to 8.1, so let's not do that. Drivers. All this lovely stuff. Don't really want that. And nice. These are all off. That's awesome. So we can just skip through this stuff. Don't really care that much. And error reporting, Internet Explorer. That's nice. All right, next. The keyboard layout. I have the UK keyboard, so the mouse does work, but it's simple. There are no gestures. So I should do this. I guess I do UK extended. I don't know. Here, UK. All right. And we'll just press next. We'll create our user account, and there's no need for a password right now. Finalizing your settings. Oh my gosh, Windows 8.0. Now, I haven't actually played with Windows 8.0 a lot before. I've installed it in a few VMs. Check out like a little bit. We'll check out the new way to install Windows. Wow, it's got a thing. After your PC is ready, swipe in from any edge. Okay, so good thing touch works, so I can do that now. Yeah, because there's no start button. Yeah, so I was saying I didn't really use 8.0, so this will be a good way for me to experience it. Do I do that now or what? Okay. Move your mouse into any corner. Yeah, and then brings that up. I am aware of these stuff. I use it in 8.1. But it's cool, like, why wasn't this in 8.1? Why did they remove all this cool animations? Let's start. Boom. Let's see what we got. Wow, this is large. Nice, the tile already flipped. We got apps like messaging and stuff. Like, we don't have that in the modern one. And touch works. Check this out. Let's open the desktop. Alright, you can see the resolution is very not the same as before. Check out that tiny star. Wow, that's very squished at the bottom, isn't it? No connections available. Alright, I'm gonna do the post-install stuff, and I'll just come back and we'll check out the other things together. Alright guys, so I finished the post-setup stuff, and you can see here that, you know, it's still working, which is good. Flickr gate's acting up a little bit. No mouse gestures still, but we are gonna test other things. For example, why is this so high? The DPI is so high. Oh! That's hilarious. Why is it so like this? At least Windows key works. Let me try and go Control Panel. Wow, this search is different. All of this stuff is interesting. Again, this is pretty crazy. Let me do screen resolution and adjust the screen resolution so that we can really like lower it down. What will this look like? Oh, that is horrible. Maybe I shouldn't have done it so low, but this is huge. Is this good? I don't know, because we need to try it out. Apply. It's better, but no. If this is the best we can get, that's not that good at all. There must be some other way, but I can't be asked to do it right now. So I guess we're just gonna put that away. Look at the text, it's so tiny. Other things I want to test. Surface Pen, do you work? It does, what? That is so cool. Right click. Oh, it does, that's awesome. These buttons on the top, no, they don't work. Epilepsy warning, sorry. These don't work for some reason. Wi-Fi does work. I checked and I signed into my Wi-Fi. As you can see, all of this other stuff works. These apps probably don't work. That's just the Windows 8 thing. Does the camera work? Here, let me just connect the camera. Okay, camera doesn't work. That gives me an idea. What if we just search up device manager? Apparently there's no device manager. What do you mean there's no device manager? Did 8.0 not have a device manager? Oh no, it's here. Oh, that's how this search works. Okay. Once again, one of the tiniest things ever. Let's see, what doesn't work? Oh yeah, there's all the stuff. Hey, at least with such a big DPI we can scroll through this. Again, mouse doesn't scroll properly. Surface button and Surface Cosar. Don't know what the Cosar is, but I'm guessing the button is the button. Is it possible to manually install it? Would that work? Alright, I got the USB that has the drivers. In fact, we don't even need to open that. And let's just update, browse, go to the USB over here, and find it here. Next. So let's see if that'll work. Nope, the best driver is already installed and it doesn't work. Well, can we see why it doesn't work? It's not working properly because Windows cannot load the drivers required. So I guess it's just not compatible. Which, to be honest, 2 out of everything else that doesn't work here. Okay, maybe some other stuff that doesn't work that we might not see in that list. But Still, this is awesome that this much of it still works. It is very usable. You got Wi-Fi and graphics, so it is nice. There's nothing really much else to say because this isn't a Windows 8.0 review. It's more like, can we install it here? Yes, you can. Again, epilepsy warning. Oh my days. Thank you, Samsung. You're so kind and caring. We have managed to install Windows 8.0 on the Surface Pro 4 with only a little bit of things not working. Here's another thing I want to test. Can we put the device to sleep? Alright, the device is asleep, and because the buttons don't work, I want to see. Can we turn it on with the keyboard? Yes, we can. Very beautiful. At least there's that. Look at this Windows settings. Personalize, all this stuff. Wow, that's cool. What about the display? Is there no display things? I'm guessing not. Well, that's fine. Can we get rid of that? Yes, we can. And one more thing to test. The auto rotation. Does it work? No, it doesn't work, huh? This probably looks weird on the video, but yeah, I just needed to try rotate it. It doesn't work. That's interesting. So that's pretty much it for this video. We successfully installed Windows 8.0 on the Surface Pro 4. Very nice that most of it works, only a little bit of it doesn't, which means next time we're gonna try and install Windows 7 on this, which probably is gonna have more issues, but it'll be fun. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.